Hello everyone, and welcome to this next episode of Coding with Dom. In our last episode, we were working on our factorial calculator. Today we're going to be styling things up a bit by putting some styles on our HTML page. Right now it looks a little bland, boring, not too much going on, so we're going to add some styles to it. Let's start off by adding a header, h1. We're going to call this application calculator. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're going to make a new paragraph and say, please enter a number to receive your calculation. Great. Around this number, we're going to add some span tags. All right. Now, below our script and above the end tag for our head, we can add a style tag and end it. Now, just like in our script tags where we can put all of our JavaScript, and our style tag is where we can put all of our CSS. And what is CSS, you might ask? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's basically our way of styling our HTML elements to make them look better for our website. So let's go ahead and style our body. I'm going to make a background color of light blue. Wow, that looks so much better. So what this is a selector, and it's actually selecting our body tag and it's applying these styles to our body tag. So let's go ahead and do a similar thing to our h1 heading tag. So on h1, we can say we have a background color of, instead of light blue, we'll do dark blue, and we'll set a text color of white. Wow, that looks great. Now, let's say we wanted to set this style on h1, our paragraph tag, and our span tag all at the same time, but we don't want to have to reference all of the different tag types. So instead, we can use something called CSS Classes. So we make a class called .coolText. So our class is called coolText. We reference a class using the dot. Now we do, on each part, on each tag, we actually specify what class is part of. Great. Let's give it a shot. Beautiful. So we saw how to reference tag types, classes, but what if we want to reference a particular element, regardless of what class they're part of, or regardless of their tag type? Now, let's say in particular, I want to reference this element right here. The ID is my number. So what we're going to do here is, we're going to do the pound symbol, and then write the ID name, my number. So over here, we can write font size 20px. Great. All right, we made the font for our text box bigger. What a beautiful website. And so now what I recommend for you guys to do is to be as creative as possible and make the coolest looking website that you can imagine. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.